Hello friends, welcome to my channel Taste the Linux. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. For visiting my website, link in the description. So friends, let's start our video. So today we will learn about head command in Linux with their options and many examples. Head command itself indicates that it will show only the top content of the file, means you can say a starting few lines, or we can say head command by default shows only a 10 lines of the file. So look at the topic we will cover today. So first topic we will cover that how we can display n number of lines using a head commands. Means suppose we have to display a 15 lines, suppose we have to display a 20 lines, then how we can do that using which option. Next we will see how we can display a file name in a output using a head command and which option we will use for this. Third, we will look into how we can open multiple files using head command. So the last topic is very interesting, how to display the content by a size. Now suppose I have a 500 bytes of file and I have to just see what data or what content does the 100 bytes have. So we will use -c option. Let's see how we can use these options via practical. Here we will use ls and enter. So we have two files, check the number of line and head underscore example. So we will use head underscore example, but before that I will use cat head underscore example to see the whole content. So as you can see, I have made a content like this which contains 20 lines. As we know, when we use a head command, it will just show me a first 10 lines. So let's use a head command, head underscore example. So head underscore example is my file. I am pressing enter now. So as you can see, I can see a first 10 lines as an output. So now we will look out how we can use a pipe. So I will type cat head example. Now when I will type this, it will show me a whole content, but when I will use pipe head command, then it will also showing me a first 10 lines. Now what if I have to see n number of lines? Now suppose I have to see a 15 lines from a file head underscore example. So we will use head -n option and we have to see 15 line. That's why I will type a number 15 and the file name head underscore example, and then I will press enter. So we have found we can easily see a first 15 line. What if I have to see a 18 lines? Then I will just write here 18. So we can see 18 lines here now. So we can get this output without using -n option. So let's see how we can get 15 lines without using -n option. Head -15 head underscore example. This is a file name. As we will press enter, and we can see a first 15 lines without an option. So if we have to get 18 lines, a first 18 lines, then we can use -18. So without using -n option, we can get the output as well. So let's move to our second topic, how to display a file name. So for this we will use -v option, head -v head underscore example, and we will press enter. As you can see, when I am using head underscore example file name, I am not able to see here any header file, but when I have used -v option, I can easily see a file name in the place of header. So let's move to our next topic, which is how to see a multiple files using head command. So we have two files here, head, check the number, head underscore example. If I will press enter, you can see without using -v option, it is showing me a file name in the place of header. So first file I am able to see is check the number of line and its content. Second, same, it's showing me a content of head underscore example file. Now what if I have to print only 3 lines of both the files? I will use -3 and press enter. As you can see, it is showing me a 3 lines of both the file. So let's move to our interesting topic, how to display a content by size. But before that we will use ls -l command. So as you can see, head underscore example has the size 402 bytes, Now suppose I have to see 125 bytes of content that head underscore example file has. So we will use head minus c 125 head underscore example. If I will press enter, you can see I am able to see a first 125 bytes of content. If I have to see a first 300 bytes of content, I will use here 300. And now you can see the E is missing because E not comes under a 300 bytes content. If you have any doubt in the head command, you can ask me into the comment section. So let's move to our bonus part. So here, this is my website, testthelinux.com. Here you can go for the more basic command. We will play this quiz to know how we know better a head command. So let's take a first question. Head command will print the first 10 lines. Yes, of course, it will print the first 10 lines. Now let's see the second question. When we have to see the first 15 lines, then what will be the correct one? Also, there is a condition, select 3 correct answers. Okay, fine, means from this much we have to select a 3 correct answers. So for the first, we have already looked into our video that this one will be the correct. Head minus n means to display n number of lines, and it's 15, and we have to print a 15 number of lines, so we will use this option. Also, we will look into the second option now. It's like head minus n 15. As you can see, there is a no space in between, but we can use this because it is an option. There will be a space between option and argument, but both are the options, so we can use the second option also. So we will look at the third option. Now third option says that head space 15. Now there is no minus, no plus, and no minus an option, so it will not work. Also, head command will think that it is a file only, so this option is not correct. Now fourth option is head space first file, means this command will show only a starting 10 lines, means this is also not correct option. Now the next option is head space minus 15 space first file. So we have seen in our video that without using minus an option, we can use this kind of options. So we will select one. As you can see, all 3 are the correct answer, and the last one is head space minus n, but there is no number, but head command wants a number here, which is the file. So let's move forward. So now here, which option will be used to print the file name? So as we know, minus v option is used to print the file name, so we will select this. So let's move to the next question. Here the question is it the minus q option will not print the file name into the output? Yes, of course. So let's move forward. So here there is something command. What this command will do, cat space first file. Cat space first file will show all the content that first file have, but we have used pipe and head. That means it will show a starting content, but we have used option minus n space 5, means that this command will print only first 5 lines. So here print only first 5 lines, I will select. If you have any doubt regarding a head command, you can use my comment section to ask me a doubt. So thanks for watching my video, keep supporting me.